Hello, good afternoon. My name is Chaoy Huang from Huawei. I'm a system architect and I'm PTL of Quisce and OpenStack multi-site. And I'm also one active contributor of OpenStack. I will talk about application level consistent snapshot and disaster recovery. Currently, we can only make a consistent snapshot for one virtual machine. If we send a request to Nova for create an image for the virtual machine, then the Nova API will Quisce the virtual machine. And after Nova computer receive the Quisce request, we'll talk to the Quisce guest agent to freeze the virtual machine so that the I/O will be halted, and then the I/O buffer could be flashed in the hook to the volume. So after all the dirty buffer had been flashed, then Nova API will create a snapshot for the volume of the virtual machine. The snapshot will be created by sender because often the sender backend will provide some very fast snapshot creation. So after the volume snapshot has been created, then Nova API will send a message to Glance to create image. And after the image has been created, then Nova API will unquiesce the virtual machine. After the Nova computer receives the unquiesced request, we'll talk to the Quisce guest agent to solve the virtual machine. That means the virtual machine will resume the I/O so that new data could be written to the volume. But currently, we can only make a consistent snapshot for single virtual machine. But application mostly will be consisted of multiple applications. So one single virtual machine consistent snapshot is not good enough. We need a group of virtual machine snapshot. So we failed a spec in Nova, and it has been already accepted in Mitaka, but the file has not been merged in Mitaka. Hopefully, will be merged in Newton. The spec is to expose the Quisce API in Nova so that we can Quisce multiple virtual machines from the API. So if one application has multiple virtual machines, we can Quisce all virtual machines before make a snapshot. For example, if we have two virtual machines, we send two Quisce command to Nova. Then, after these two virtual machines was Quisced and freezed, we can send a snapshot command to sender to make snapshot of each virtual machine. So after we create a snapshot of each virtual machine, that means we get all consistent snapshots in application level. Then we will unquiesce all the virtual machine in the application to restart the I/O process. So after snapshot has been finished, we will unquiesce all virtual machine in the application. After unquiesce, we can do the backup command to back up the application to the disaster recovery center. In Mitaka version, sender has enhanced the backup process. You can back up the snapshot directly. So we can back up several virtual machines snapshot of the application to the backup center. After we back up all the snapshot to the backup center, we can get a consistent snapshot of the application in the backup storage. So if the site was crashed, then you can restore the consistency application in another site, because we have make sure the snapshot could be processed in consistent way. So the restoration successful ratio will be increased at mostly. So we can restore the application in another site or same site if the site recovered. So it's quite simple just to add two API in Nova and expose to the app layer disaster recovery management software. So the software can make a decision for one application level, snapshot and backup. In this spec, we expose Quisce and Unquiesce API. And you can try this feature, so download the code from the patch. Okay, thank you very much.